What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today, as you can see, I got the Pixel 7a on deck, guys. The little fella, the budget, the affordable version of the Pixel 7 is right here on the channel. And as you guys saw me unboxing and things of that nature, but we've already seen the setup of 1,000 pixels, so it wasn't no need to go through that. I've kind of set this thing up, and as you can tell, I don't have at a glance on the home screen. A lot of y'all ask me how I fix that. What I do is put Nova Launcher on this device out of the box because I don't like having that at a glance forced on the home screen. So that's my fix before y'all ask in the comment section. But if y'all was gonna ask that, still put something in the comment section for your boy. And if you ain't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. But let's just talk about this little fella here, guys. And we got this gorgeous coral colorway. Now, this is the biggest thing about this device to me because we've been here before, guys. We've been here with the we've been here with the Tensor G2. We've been here with the Pixel 6a. It's a lot of the same, but it's just polished. When it comes to this device, there's a lot of comparisons to the Pixel 7 because of the Tensor G2, because of the 90 hertz on this device as far as the screen go. But this device still has a place. Honestly, to me, guys, what Google is trying to do with this device is basically flood the market. Now, if you look at Samsung and you look at what devices sell and what are the biggest selling devices in the United States, is a lot of Apple stuff, but then at the same time, when it comes to Android stuff, it's all the budget stuff. The A series. Google is trying to find the perfect placement for their budget devices and how they should come and what type of processors and powers they should have so they can find that one budget phone that's gonna flood the market and get Google some market share. So far about this device, guys, I think it's one good thing that we overlooking about this device. Is a lot of people that love these compact devices. As far as this device goes, guys, one of the major reasons that I picked this up as a personal pickup, I just like this exclusive Google Color One. Then at the same time, I like the compactness of the Google A series, guys. I like the 6.1 inch screen because I roll with my main device is a huge flagship. So I like to use this Pixel goodness as my secondary phone. So it doesn't have to be a huge device also. So I consider this device like a pocket rocket. This is one of the devices that will bring people that like iPhone SEs and small iPhones over to Google because these devices are at the price point at half of what iPhone is selling for, but still that marketable same size as an iPhone and just as powerful and can pretty much do everything that iPhones do for half the price. Now, when it comes to this device itself, it does everything all around the board decent. Yes, it is $50 more, but is a convenience $50. It's a wireless charging $50. It's a 90 hertz $50. Like, to a degree, yes, I wish the A series was super cheap, but if, like somebody pointed out to me, you could have bought the 6A if you wanted the super cheap A series device for about, now it might be $249, $300, whatever, however you can get it pretty cheap. You can get great day-to-day use. Now with the Tensor G2, yes, it does have a thermal issue every now and then, and it's not an insane thermal issue. I use Pixels daily, and it's certain situations where the Tensor will get tasked and it will warm up, but it is not to the point where it is not usable. So for what people that spend $400, $500, $600 on the phone, what they do on their devices, you can do on this device, on this Pixel 7a. You can take some great pictures on the Pixel 7a, point and shoot photography. And also, I just find it amazing that they actually were able to squeeze in 4K out of the front facing camera. That's continuity, guys. That's this 4K 30 out of the front facing camera. You can actually create some content with this device. It's not going to be the same content that somebody would create with a Sony A7 or whatever you call it, but it's gonna have, you can get 4K footage, especially in good conditions. And this device, I feel like, is Google looking for the sweet spot, looking for how much power a device need, how much it can cost to be a budget, to really get some market share and really be a viable option for people that do not want to spend $1,000 for a phone, not even $800 for a phone, not $700 for a phone, because best believe this device dropped at $499, but before we know it, it'll be $449, and then before you know it, it'll be on sale Black Friday, $399, and things of that nature. This is Google oversaturating the budget to mid-range market and having these phones available for people that want to switch and try other things. There's manufacturers out here that are not Android, and their OS and their operating system is starting to fail, and they're starting to show age, and they're starting to show that they have maybe hit a ceiling when it comes to creativity and things of that nature. So why keep spending your money when you can come get a Pixel 7a for $500 that does everything that a device is supposed to do, that normal people do on devices? They play their games, text people, look on social media, and things of that nature. When it comes to me and my $1,000 devices, guys, I'm trying to edit movies. I'm trying to get different type of content and a different type of quality of content. And I would never expect this from, I wouldn't expect that from this device, but this is just the option. I feel like it's Google flooding the market. Now, if you don't like certain things, you may need to spend a little bit more money, because definitely the charging is going to be slow on this thing. The screen is decent. It's just a tad bit washed out to me. There's a couple little knocks that I could knock this thing for. Of course, the thermals, I don't like when they warm up. It do warm up. It's still usable. I just don't like when it does that, because it's a lot of I'm spoiled. I'm a tech snob. It's devices that I use that don't do that. Over and all, I'm impressed. It's my second device. It give me my Pixel goodness. Of course, the software is going to be on point, and the software is going to be rolling out. This is a Pixel device. That's one of the things that I love about this thing. I'm just getting into it, just checking it out. It's something that we've already seen before. There's no need to really sit here and think too hard about this Pixel 7a. When you go to buy your device or purchase your device with the money that you have, you make the best decision for you. These are just my first impressions. I'm going to do more with the Pixel 6a. I'm going to take pictures and I'm going to carry it. This is going to be my Pixel that I carry to the Pixel 8 Pro. But for now, it's your man BG Tech Life. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. It's your boy BG Tech Life. I'm out. Peace.